Now, today, we will discuss some full forms related to international organizations. Okay, starting from UNO. Full form of UNO is United Nations Organization. Now, where is the headquarters of UNO? Answer: New York, that is in USA. When was UNO established? Answer: 1945. Full form of UNICEF. UNICEF. Answer: United Nations Children's Fund. Where is the headquarters of UNICEF? The headquarters of UNICEF is in New York, that is in USA. When was UNICEF established? UNICEF was established in 1946. Full form of WHO. World Health Organization. Where is the headquarters of WHO? Geneva in Switzerland. When was WHO established? 1948. Full form of UNESCO. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO? Answer: Paris in France. When was UNESCO established? In 1945. Full form of IMF. International Monetary Fund. Headquarters of IMF. Washington, D.C. in USA. When was IMF established? In 1945. Full form of WTO. World Trade Organization. Where is the headquarters of WTO? Geneva in Switzerland. WTO was established in 1995. Full form of ILO. International Labour Organization. Headquarters of ILO is in Geneva in Switzerland. ILO was established in 1919. Full form of WB, World Bank. Headquarters of World Bank is in Washington, D.C. in USA. World Bank was established in 1945. Full form of FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. The headquarters of FAO is in Rome, in Italy. When was Food and Agricultural Organization established? 1945. Full form of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Its headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. And NATO headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. And NATO was established in 1949. Full form of SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Headquarter of SARC is in Kathmandu, that is in Nepal. SARC was established in 1985. Full form of ASEAN, Asian Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Headquarter of ASEAN is in Jakarta in Indonesia. ASEAN was established in 1967. Full form of WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature. The headquarter of WWF is in Glandvaud in Switzerland. WWF was established in 1961. Full form of ICC, International Cricket Council. Headquarter is in Dubai, that is in UAE, United American States of America, and ICC was established in 1909. Full form of IMO, International Maritime Organization, and IMO headquarter is in London in UK. IMO was established in 1959. Full form of APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. Headquarter of APEC is in Singapore. APEC was established in 1989. Full form of OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Headquarter of OIC is in Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. OIC was established in 1969. Full form of WMO, World Meteorological Organization. WMO headquarter is in Geneva in Switzerland. WMO was established in 1950. Full form of WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. Headquarter of WIPO is in Geneva in Switzerland. WIPO was established in 1967. Full form of IOS, International Organization for Standardization. IOS headquarter is in Geneva in Switzerland. ISO was established in 1947. Full form of IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. Headquarter of IAEA is at Vienna in Australia. IAEA was established in 1957. Full form of OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Export Countries. Headquarter of OPEC is in Vienna in Australia. OPEC was established in 1960. Full form of ICRC, International Committee of the Red Cross. Headquarter of ICRC, Geneva in Switzerland. ICRC was established in 1963. Full form of AI, Amnesty International. Headquarter of AI is in London in UK. AI was established in 1961. Full form of ICJ, International Court of Justice. Headquarter of International Court of Justice, ICJ, is at The Hague in Netherlands. ICJ was established in 1945. Full form of WEF, World Economic Forum. Headquarter of WEF is in Cologne in Switzerland. WEF was established in 1971. Full form of OPCW, Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons. Headquarter of OPCW, The Hague in Netherlands. OPCW was established in 1997. Full form of IHO, International Hydrographic Organization. Headquarter of IHO, Monaco. When was IHO established? 1921. Full form of IUCN, International Union for Conservation. International full form of IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Headquarter of IUCN, Gland in Switzerland. IUCN was established in 1948. Full form of UNWTO, United Nations World Tourism Organization. Headquarters of UNWTO, MADRID, Madrid in Spain. When was UNWTO established? 1974. Full form of IRENA, International Renewable Energy Agency. Headquarter of IRENA, Abu Dhabi, UEA. IRENA established in 2009. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Again, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.